guys, welcome to my channel. So the chickadee, it's here again, searching up food. Come on, honey, come on. Ooh. Come on, sweet, come on. Come on, I put some peanut here. We'll see if they're gonna take it. They will. Come on, look. Come on, sweet, come on. My nose is really itchy. Come on, honey, come on. There you go. Don't kick all the peanut. So he take it down, right? Some of it they're kicking some peanut, and of course. Nice, guys. Kick all the peanut down, because you know you're not gonna find it because it's the snow is really thick, guys. See, we got like almost like 3 inches today. So
you're out.
Yeah, there I'm out with the peanut, guys. Now the chickadee is gonna searching in there. He's gonna wait in there anyway. Yeah, come on, here. Come on, guys, come on. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.